Grand Rapids has issued a special marine warning for nearshore and open waters from South Haven to Pentwater, Michigan, until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, showers were located along a line extending from 11 nautical miles northwest of the Muskegon Light to 19 nautical miles northeast of Wind Point, moving southeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include the Muskegon Light. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Here is the nearshore forecast for waters within 5 nautical miles from...
That was... What? Okay, well, it's showing up as a 6-hour event on the... Nah, shut up. Showing up as a 6-hour event. 5 hours, 59 minutes on that. It doesn't show on this. Neither does it show on this. Huh. I don't know. I'll have to check the radar.
This is the National Weather Service in Grand Rapids. The scene you've just heard is our weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio Alarm Warning System. We normally conduct the test on Wednesday around 11:15 in the morning. However, if there's a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, we'll postpone the test for the next available good weather day. Be advised the weather conditions will affect the quality of the signal of the broadcast. We'll activate the warning alarm tone for hazardous watches warnings for the following counties. On 162.40 megahertz from Onondaga, these counties are Branch, Calhoun, Clinton, Eaton, Gratiot, Hillsdale, Ingham, Jackson, Livingston, and Shiawassee. On 162.425 megahertz from West Olive, the counties are Allegan, Muskegon, and Ottawa. On 162.475 megahertz from Vesperia, the counties are Muskegon, Newaygo, and Oceana. On 162.525 megahertz from Mount Pleasant, counties are Clare, Gratiot, Isabella, La Costa, Midland, Montcalm, and Osceola. On 162.55 megahertz from Canonsburg, the counties are Allegan, Barrie, Ionia, Kent, Montcalm, Muskegon, Newaygo, Oceana, and Ottawa. On 1.475 megahertz from Plainwell, the county 62.425 megahertz from Wolf Lake, the counties are Manistee, Wexford, Mason, Lake, Osceola, Oceana, Newaygo, and La Costa.
Now here is your local forecast. West of today, rain showers likely.
They all turned off. Well done. Well, that was that. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 radios for the weekly test. And Thunderbolt, because why not? Except when you do this, the head just falls off, so, you know. It's a thing.